Hi, Grace here again in the Beyond Broth kitchen. I'm on my way out to go dance, but I need something really quick. So, making a sweet potato, the best sweet potato ever soup. So simple. All you do, peel a baked sweet potato, and I happen to have one that was in my refrigerator. Put it in the blender with 2 cups of hot water and a packet of Yummy Tummy. Simply blend, add 2 tablespoons coconut oil, and voila, you have a delicious soup. I'll be right back. I'm going to blend. And that's it. All we do is add these yummy sauteed green onions to the bowl for a little garnish. This soup will serve 2 people, and I'm adding a little bit of parsley. And you have the best, seriously, the best sweet potato soup ever. And this is how it looks. Enjoy. See you again soon.